Hello and welcome to Vulnerability to Victory episode 9, the Strategic Leaders Cyber Series. I am Aro Salva Thomas. Imagine this. Two companies experience the same cyber attack. One recovers within hours while the other spends weeks dealing with downtime, financial losses, and damaged customer trust. The difference isn't luck, it's having the right incident response and recovery plan, or IRRP. Think of it like medical preparedness. A startup may only need a basic first aid kit to handle common incidents. As the business grows, it needs a more comprehensive emergency response plan. Large enterprises handling sensitive data need a dedicated response capability and ready to tackle complex cyber threats. But here's where many organizations go wrong. They create a plan once and never update it. Cyber threats evolve constantly, so your IRRP must evolve too. Another common mistake is treating cybersecurity as only an IT responsibility. In reality, it affects your people, your reputation, customer trust, and your business continuity. It's also important to understand that compliance is not the same as preparedness. Compliance is like having a driver's license. It proves you've met the requirements. An incident response and recovery plan is like defensive driving training. It prepares you to respond when something unexpected happens. So how do you know if your plan will actually work? Run tabletop exercises. Think of them as fire drills for cyber incidents. Bring together your IT, legal, communications, and leadership teams. Walk through a realistic attack scenario. Test your roles, communication, and decision making. Then improve the plan based on what you learned. The key takeaway is simple. An effective IRRP isn't a document you store away. It's a living plan that's regularly updated, practiced, and refined. So your organization is ready when a real cyber incident occurs. In our next episode, we'll uncover the hidden threat of cryptojacking and how your devices could be secretly mining cryptocurrency for attackers. Until then, stay secure and lead with strength.